Hey, what's up? It's Monday, May 1st, and we're now camping in Upper Pines. Moved from the hotel to here. I don't know how long we're going to stay. We really want to get out to the West Coast, but we'll do it one night and then cruise through the West Coast some. We're just waiting on our campsite. It's our campsite, and they're sitting over there in their van. Let's see. Right there's our campsite, but there's people in it. They said they'd be done. They're not done. We're in 2, 2, 3, and let's go. And I realized what a bad vlogging host I am. I haven't vlogged since we got here, but we tour what we're doing here. Got the red set up on, we're just running a Sigma 150 to 600 lens. Got the bright tangerine matte box in the front with Schneider circular polarizer. Over here, we got the Blackmagic Ursa Mini running the Canon 70 to 200. For those of you who are cigar connoisseurs, this is a Drew Estates Liga Bravada number 9. Good smoke. Look at that ash. So good. This is it's a woody cigar. It's got hints of cedar. It's the coffee. Yeah, a little bit of chocolate or cocoa that's got in there. It's not a spicy cigar. It's deep. It's tasty though. It's pretty creamy. I like that. Yeah. Oh, overheating. So we're out here enjoying ourselves, and our neighbors show up, Barry and Bill, and they're from California. Bill, he shoots star trails, he shoots all kinds of nature photography. Barry enjoys cigars. We're all happy. And I found out there's pizza.